People trust faces that look like normal human beings more than you would know.
What we're going to talk about here is in the consideration phase, a great way to let them know more about your product is UGC, which stands for user generated content. This could be customer reviews, customer testimonials, anything that looks like a customer would have shared on their page. And you can just do this yourself, by the way. It doesn't have to be a customer that does it. I know I've gotten that question in the past. So just to clarify.
With your phone, that's all you need.
Yep. That's
cell phone device and decent lighting.
Any of these, there's not even any talking at all. So all there is a little bit of video and you put a little bit of text and then you just chop it up or edit it in a way where you just have a different video or a different angle every 3 to 5 seconds or so. So the first one does have a voiceover, but whatever the person's saying, and again, they're not even showing their face on the camera because it's supposed to look very much like the customer is just doing like a review and they're sharing it with their friends or their family, right? But we are using the text because remember, about 80% of the videos are watched in silence on social media. So you want to use a lot of text.
Why does this work so well? Just so you guys know, why does these user-generated content videos work so well? Because people trust others more than they trust brands. These people that Jorge is playing right here, they look like a regular human being. She's probably a friend of the owner of the brand, right?
Probably.
Or who is she?
Yeah, I know her, so
it's just a random person, and she's doing an unboxing video, client testimonial, review. It's user-generated content, and they work amazingly well. Amazingly well. People trust faces that look like normal human beings more than you would know. She looks like a normal person. She doesn't look like this massive corporation.
30 seconds, that's all you need. And then you need a good amount of these videos and have a library that you build up over time. And then once you have enough of these, if you can show like on a retargeting phase, like this one here on the middle of the funnel, you're retargeting people, you have enough variations and yet you're omnipresent enough with this kind of content, you will convert.
You know, just look at the elements, right? Couples love wearing their sheepskin scuffs, little heart emoji with a matching his and hers pair of our best-selling sheepskin scuffs. Not only can you look your very best together in your matching footwear, but you'll also be incredibly comfortable. Durable, comfortable scuffs, learn more, and a little user-generated content. So we do have some marketing with some copy around it, and then user-generated content, and this is very powerful.
So because remember, they already passed the top of the funnel. This is the consideration. So what we added here was a little bit of, it says incredibly comfortable. So we're just kind of throwing some copy in here that just, you know, not necessarily focus on like a problem or anything. Now we're trying to tell them reasons why they should, you know, buy our product and the features about it and things like that.